In this video, I want to tell you a little bit about motion cues in iOS. This will help prevent getting motion sickness when using your mobile device in a moving vehicle. Okay, so the way that motion cues work is your screen will have all these little dots on it, and anytime the car or the vehicle you're in turns left or turns right, or accelerates or decelerates, the dots will move. And what that's doing is it's tricking your brain into thinking that you're not actually moving. So I don't know exactly how that works, but I just know that it's effective in reducing motion sickness when using your mobile device in a vehicle. So let me demonstrate this. So I'm going to move the phone around kind of quickly, and then we're going to see the dots moving. So when you do this, you kind of see those dots move, or if I move up and down, you can see the dots were kind of moving. It's a little hard to demonstrate without actually being in a car, but I'm just trying to explain basically the concept of what's going on. So let me go ahead and show you how you can turn this on your phone. Okay, so now let's go and show you how you can turn this setting on, and then I'll also show you a way to create a shortcut to turn this on easier. So if you go to settings and then scroll down to accessibility and then select motion, and up at the top or near the top here you have vehicle motion cues. And again, it says dots will appear near the edges of your iPhone screen. They'll follow the movement of the vehicle, and it helps reduce motion sickness. So if you just go ahead and select that, you can turn it on, you can turn it off, or you can have it automatically detect when you're in a vehicle. Now I've tried to use the automatically in vehicle setting before, and I didn't have a lot of luck with it turning it on when I wanted it on and turning it off when I wanted it off. So that's something that you can experiment with. But in any case, you could just come in here and turn it on when you need it and then turn it off when you don't. Now I'm going to show you an easier way to get to it by creating a shortcut in your control panel. So swipe down from the upper right hand corner of your screen and get to your control panel. Then press and hold in a blank area of the screen, and then select add a control down at the bottom. Then scroll down and find a section called Vision Accessibility, because that's where you'll see your vehicle motion cues. So you can select that and then tap somewhere blank in the blank space, and that basically takes you out of the editing mode of your control panel. And now there it is in your control panel. You can just tap on it and you can say on, off, or automatically in vehicle, just the same settings that we had before. And that's an easy way that you can get to this setting to turn it on and off as need be. So in the future, you'll just swipe to see your control panel and then go ahead and turn it on, and then the dots will appear on the screen. So I hope this video helped you. Please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and click on some of the links that I have down below, because that really helps support the channel. So again, thank you, and we'll talk to you next time.